Morning children, now chapter number 25, notice writing. Okay, a notice is a short piece of communication written in a formal style to convey important information to a group of people in an organization. Here is an example of a notice. Imagine you are the principal of a school. Write a notice to announce that the school will remain closed for a week for the Commonwealth Games in New Delhi. Now here see, Holy Faith International School. Now notice, all in capital and writing. School holiday and date here. The school will remain closed for a week from 18 September 20th to 24 September so and so for the Commonwealth Games in New Delhi. M. Mahapatra. M. Mahapatra, principal. Alright. Now what are the features of it? A notice is written within a box. Box is a must. Children, if you don't draw a box, you don't get proper marks. Like this you have to draw. Draw a box and inside that you have to write the notice. The name of the school or issuing authority is written on the top. The word notice should be mentioned. A precise title should be clearly given to indicate what the notice is about. Okay, here it is about school holiday. The notice must be simple and concise and the tone must be impartial and formal. It must contain all the relevant information related to the subject including date, time, place and any other details if required. In case of a lost object, the notice must include details of what was lost, when it was lost, where it was likely to have been lost, and how to return it to its owner. On the lower left bottom corner of the notice, the name and designation of the person writing the notice must be mentioned. Here says they have given the notices, you have to prepare these only for your examination. Now Rimjim Roy has lost a pencil box. He writes this notice to let everybody know about it and possibly find it. Now first the name of school, St. Mary's Convent, notice, lost, and here is the date. I lost my pink magnetic pencil box on 11th October 20. The pencil box is new and has my name written on it. I left it in the school auditorium after my drawing competition. If anyone finds it, please deposit it in the office. Rimjim Roy, class 6th B, roll number 18. Okay? So here, one more notice is here. It is found. Something you find, how will you give the notice? Like this. So these three you have to prepare for your examination. Examples are already given. These when you will come to school I will explain. Okay? Chalo, bye children.